In a big forest, a little bird named Pip dreamed of flying high like the eagles. But there was one problem: Pip was scared of heights. Every day, Pip watched other birds soar through the sky. "You'll never fly if you don't try," said his mother. One windy morning, a storm shook the trees. A baby squirrel was stuck on a weak branch. Pip's heart raced. He forgot his fear and flapped his tiny wings as hard as he could. Whoosh! Pip lifted off the ground and reached the squirrel just in time. He carried it to safety, and when he landed, all the animals cheered. From that day on, Pip wasn't just a little bird. He was the bravest bird in the forest.